Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Real Talk. I'm here with a special guest of mine. Um, Let me just briefly describe him. He's a retired group managing director, CEO at LTC JWT. He's an author and he's also a pastor. His name is Pastor Charles Abraham. Pastor Charles Abraham, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be on your program.
Yeah. We have 5 minutes and the time goes now. So I'm timing myself. There's no African time here.
Sure.
Some people have actually described you as a fearless leader that inspires growth and positive change. Some other people have described you as someone who has faced adversities and has never given up. Many other people have described you as someone that inspires them. And you've just written a book called Bounce Back Up. Could you tell us, the viewers, what has inspired you to write such a book?
I have to give credit to where credit is due. It's the Holy Spirit that inspired me to write this book. The lessons or principles I captured in this book came out of the story of David at Ziklag in 1 Samuel 30. David had such a bad event where Ziklag was burned down, his wives were taken away, his children were taken away, and all his men also suffered the same fate. And he came back, they were very discouraged, they were very depressed, they were going to kill David. But somehow David found encouragement and was able to lift himself up and received instruction to pursue, overtake, and recover all. In reading the story, the Holy Spirit began to show me principles for recovery. And I found about 14, 15 principles here that people, if they employ whenever they're going through a hard time, a difficult time, they will always bounce back up. That's basically what the book is about.
Okay. What about because we are going to be real here.
Sure.
It's Nigerian real and it's real talk. What about people that see the title Bounce Back Up, the cynics, and say that, look, what authority, what experience does he have to write such a book? Would you say you've experienced anything personal that you've bounced back up from?
Oh, well, I mean, my life is a testimony of bouncing back up. I've had so many encounters, so many experiences, starting way back from when I was a child, and I didn't succeed in my O-level examinations, and how I went through a time of depression. But through that, I learned some lessons about how, not to make those mistakes again, and how I came back very strong. How I was attacked by armed robbers in Nigeria, and we lost our guard. We had to give up everything and rush back to London to live in London for a few years. But I came back to Nigeria. So that's it. And then, very recently, I lost my first son, to an illness, and, somehow we've been able to keep going. So, I mean, I have many more stories, but I can tell you my life has been a continuous story of bouncing back up. I mean, perhaps that's why people say I don't give up, but I have to give that also the credit to the Lord, because it's the Lord that has strengthened me on the inside. It's the one that gives me the ability to continue to go, even in the midst of very, very adverse situations. So if anybody wants to hear more stories, they can ask me. I'll tell them more.
Brilliant. Would you say the book is restricted to Christians? Is it open to everybody?
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all. Not at all. I deliberately took the platform from the Bible.
Okay.
And I have a few scriptures in the book. But some of my icons, I have what I call bounce back icons, bounce back up icons. Some of them are not Christians. They're just men and women that have gone through things. Tina Turner, Robert Downey Jr., Andrea Gassi. People like that I have in my book. Churchill, I have them in the book. So you can read their story, how they went from disaster back to a place of victory. And how they coped with it when it happened to them. So there are stories in the book that are not just Christian stories, but of course the narrative or the base of it is all Christian, but anybody can read it and enjoy it.
Okay, I've only got 30 seconds now.
Wow.
Where can we purchase the book? Where can we buy the book from?
It's going to be online on Amazon.com.
Could you show us the cover of the book?
Yeah, that's the book. That's what it looks like.
Okay, Amazon.com.
Yes, it should be available for purchase. I think in about a couple of days, 2 days or 3 days from now.
Okay.
Because we're doing the formal launching tomorrow.
Brilliant.
And it's only after that I want to put it online for people to buy.
Okay. Okay. Well, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up.
It's gone so fast.
It's gone so fast. I know that I'm going to invite you to be a guest on Nigerian Real, and we're going to have more time to talk more about the book and your story as well, because I know your story is there for everybody to learn from, and you know that it will definitely inspire us. Thank you so much for your 5 minutes. Really appreciate it.
And, it's a pleasure, real pleasure.
We definitely get to speak soon. Thank you.
Yeah, I look forward to coming back. God bless. Bye.
Bye bye.